Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an external monitor not working on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, make sure your external monitor is powered on properly. Most monitors have a power button located on the bottom, side, or back of the display. Turn the monitor on and wait a few seconds to see if your Mac screen appears. If the monitor is on but still not displaying anything, check that the correct input source is selected. Many monitors support multiple inputs, such as HDMI or DisplayPort. So use the monitor's buttons to switch between inputs until you find the one connected to your MacBook. Next, inspect the cable connection. Unplug the cable from both your Mac and the monitor, then reconnect it securely. You can also try swapping the cable ends or using another port on your Mac if available. If the monitor still does not work, restart your Mac. Click the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and select Restart. Once your Mac powers back on, reconnect the monitor and check if the display is detected correctly. So that's basically how you can fix an external monitor not working on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.